Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 88.
AwesomeMath88. So you were practicing on some old MOEMS problems this morning, and this one gave you some trouble. A large 5 by 5 by 5 cube is painted orange on all 6 faces. Then it is cut into 125 small cubes, each 1 by 1 by 1. How many of the small cubes are not painted orange on any face? Okay? Now, by luck, we have a little prop that's going to help us understand this, since it was giving you a bit of a hard time. Here is a 5 by 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube.
But we can't disassemble it into cubes.
No, I would prefer that we don't take this apart into cubes, because we'll spend the next 3 days trying to put it back together. But it does help us see what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a 5 by 5 by 5 cube.
And there's 125 cubes.
And there's 125 cubes.
Well, we could use complementary counting.
Okay, how would complementary counting come into play?
We could
Because,
count-
well, first, what are we trying to count out of those 125 cubes?
I'm trying to count the faces that are not painted.
Not the faces that are not painted, I don't think. How many of the small cubes are not painted orange? The cubes that are not painted orange, not the faces. The cubes.
But what if just like one face of the cube is painted? That counts as being painted.
That counts as being painted, yeah.
So I would think it would be the 3 by 3 cube on the inside.
Ooh, why is that?
Because all these outside faces are painted.
Yeah.
And there's, I think...
I thought we might be able to see them on the inside when I turned it, but you just can't quite see
Yeah.
inside to that 3 by 3 by 3 cube. Okay,
So,
so all the faces on the outside are painted.
yeah, and then there would be 27 cubes that are not painted on the inside.
Isn't that interesting? 27, because there's a 3 by 3 cube on the inside. What gave you a little bit of a hard time about this problem?
I think I counted the faces.
Oh, you were trying to count the faces. Okay. All right. Well, let's do it the complementary counting way, too.
So
We've got 125 cubes. Let's see if we can count the number of cubes that are painted, and we'll subtract.
So, well, if the number of cubes that are painted, there would be 125 minus 27.
Oh, yeah. Let's try to count them directly, though.
Well,
Sorry.
there would be 25 on the top,
25 on the top.
25 on the bottom,
Okay, we're up to 50.
and then there would be these strips by 3 by 5 that are 15 on each side.
15 on each of these opposite sides, so that's another 30. So we're at 50 plus 30, so that's 80.
80,
And then what's left?
and then these 3 by 3.
Ah, okay.
So that would be 98.
98. There's a 3 by 3 left on the top and a 3 by 3 left on the bottom. That's good counting. So we got 125 minus 98. And what is that?
I think that would be 27.
That is also 27. Because it's the same as 127 minus 100, right?
Yeah.
So it's 27.
Yay!
Yay! All right. Actually, I was going to say give me a low 2, but a low 5 seems appropriate on this problem. All right. Good job.